There's a famous saying, nothing succeeds like success. But when you look at recent suicidal death of Sushant Singh Rajput, you feel as if you should rephrase it, nothing feels like success. We need to understand why these things exactly happen. Bismarck, once Chancellor of Germany, had a slogan on his desk: fools learn by mistake, I learn from others. So it's very important he has lived his life with a sad end. But we should learn our lessons. So I would like to I would like to point out few important things in this context. There are three things: IQ, intellectual quotient; EQ, emotional quotient; and SQ, spiritual quotient. If you look at his life, his IQ was obviously pretty good. He was a very good engineering student and so forth. So intellectually he was quite sound. But as far as EQ, emotional quotient, emotional stability, relational issues, he was extremely poor. As far as spiritual quotient is concerned, what is the basic purpose of life? Why am I exactly doing what I am doing? On these issues, he was really poor. What we need to understand is, in the current context, it's for everybody. Now, in this age, IQ is not sufficient to succeed. IQ is certainly important, but EQ and SQ is very, very important to be really happy in life. They say IQ helps you getting hired. IQ gets you getting higher. EQ helps you getting promoted. EQ helps you getting promoted. And SQ helps to stay there. SQ helps you stay there. So everyone needs to understand and upgrade his skills regarding this, improving emotional and spiritual quotients. And unfortunately, these are almost uncovered in regular academics all over the world. So this is one lesson everybody can learn. Another thing, if you observe, he had gone into desire cycle is unlimited, and he got deeply drowned in that. No one can say he didn't achieve success. From a very normal background, let us say, he achieved success, good success in engineering, left it half in between. Then he went to serials, there he made quite a success. His films were quite famous, but he was not satisfied. And he never tried to look into himself. What is this that in spite of this success, he is feeling unhappy and going into depressive cycles, which he was aware. It is quite known now. Many of his friends were also aware of this. But he was reluctant to accept that because unless a person accepts that depression is an emotion which I need to overcome, there cannot be remedial measures about it. There is nothing wrong with being depressed. You should know how to get out of it. Going into medicines and all that is an escapism. Another point I would like to highlight is he probably didn't have success standards from within. This is a very dangerous game. If you give the authority, whether you are successful or not, in others' control, then you are in a dangerous game. You will consider yourself successful only when some particular people around you call you successful, and then you are in a trap. And I feel he was exactly like that. Another principle you should follow is, there is a saying, they say, I complete what I start. Don't leave things half done. This is another aspect which comes out from his life. Engineering he was doing well, he left it half done, never bothered to complete it. He was in a very famous serial, left it half done, halfway through. This is not a good habit, and then you fall into that habit. Ultimately, to cut the story short, there is a very fine concept by Stephen Covey. He calls it relational bank account. Every relation we have, or anybody has an invisible account. And whatever actions we are doing, they can be considered either as deposit or withdrawal. And if we deposit continuously, then at time we can withdraw. So we need to be aware of our relational bank account, how we are at relationships. If we keep on overlooking it, then one day everyone may meet a sad end like this. So please learn these lessons. Learn to focus on what is not there. Nobody in the world has success in every field, whatever he wishes. But you should focus on what you have. You should focus on what you have achieved. If you continuously keep on focusing on what is not there, you will go into a heavy negative cycle, which may ultimately lead on a sad note. So please learn, focus on whatever you have, whatever is in your control. Make the best of each moment possible. Life is beautiful. It depends on how we are looking at it. No problem is so serious that you need some terminal solution from it. How you look at the problem is more important than the problem itself. Thank you. Jai Gurudev, Manoj Gokhale.